Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download your CV from Europass step by step. First, open your browser and go to europass.europa.eu. Once you're on the site, click Create your free Europass profile. If you haven't made an account yet, it'll ask you to sign up and fill in your personal information for your CV. After completing your profile, check your email. You'll receive a confirmation link to set your password and activate your account. Once you're logged in, go to the top menu and click My Europass. If you don't have any existing CVs, click Create a CV. Now choose Create a new CV, then click Continue. From here, start filling in your information, personal details, education, skills, work experience, and anything else you want to include. When you're done, click Next, and you'll be able to choose a template. Europass offers different styles, colors, and layouts. Pick the one that fits you best. Click Next again, then give your CV a name, for example, CV1. Finally, you can either save it to your Europass library or download it to your computer. Once you click Download, your CV will be saved as a PDF file ready to use for job applications. And that's it. That's how you create and download your CV from Europass quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.